Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a new innovation in kitchen tech, the Dreo Chefmaker Combi Fryer. This isn't your ordinary air fryer, it's packed with smart features that promise to elevate your cooking game. Let's kick things off with the design. The Chefmaker arrives with some thoughtful packaging, which, while not eco-friendly, keeps everything safe inside. Out of the box, it's surprisingly compact for its capacity, fitting seamlessly into my kitchen setup. What sets the Chefmaker apart is its chef mode. This isn't just a preset, it's like having a culinary assistant right there with you. Whether you're cooking meat, seafood, or vegetables, the chef mode guides you step by step through the cooking process. Plus, it uses a combination of steam and dry heat to keep your food moist and flavorful. I put this to the test with some chicken thighs and ribeye steaks. The results were impressive, perfectly cooked, juicy meat without any guesswork. For someone like me, who isn't always confident in the kitchen, this feature is a game changer. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Chefmaker isn't just about frying, it excels in a variety of cooking methods. From air frying crispy fries to roasting tomatoes for pizza sauce, and even baking banana bread, it handles it all effortlessly. One thing I really appreciate is the large touchscreen interface. It's intuitive to use, whether you're selecting a cooking mode or adjusting time and temperature settings. Plus, there's an app that syncs seamlessly with the Chefmaker, offering recipes and remote control right from your phone. On the downside, the Chefmaker does come at a premium price point, but considering its advanced features and performance, it's a worthwhile investment if you're serious about upgrading your cooking experience. So, here's the bottom line: the Dreo Chefmaker Combi Fryer isn't just another air fryer. It's a sophisticated kitchen companion that simplifies cooking while delivering delicious results. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef looking to streamline your process, this appliance delivers on its promises. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product insights and reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!